Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet, as you can see, a leaf heart design. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then I'm going to come here in the last loop, tighten a little bit, going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. I'm going to work inside here in the center, yarn over, going to make 10 loops, as you can see we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So to make 2 more, that pull through this loop here, then going to pull through 2 loops, 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 that. And see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to turn over my work, that I'm going to continue over here the same way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So from here, pull through one loop, pull through 2 loops here, that way, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and finally come over here, pull through, so you can see this is how it's supposed to look like. As you can see, I have this one here and this one here, the same one. So I'm going to come and cut my yarn, so as you can see, I've made this one, turn it around, it's going to form a heart, and if you turn it this way, it's going to form a leaf. So this is the pattern that I created, and I use this for my patchworks, and you can use it for making a flower or a leaf or whichever you like, but I prefer for a patchwork. So this is it in this video. Till then, see you soon. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, till next time.